Welcome to Auto Today I will show you the best features, tips and hidden tricks of the POCO F8 Ultra.
POCO F8 Ultra top features super fast performance Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Plus up to 16 GB RAM big OLED display 6.9 120 Hz. Very bright strong battery 6500 mAh plus 100 watts fast charging plus 50W wireless grade cameras 50MP main plus 5x zoom plus ultra wide loudspeakers, stereo sound tuned by Bose Premium Build IP68 water resistant. In display fingerprint huge storage UFS 4. 1 for fast loading tips and tricks. Tip 1. Set display to 120 Hz for smoother experience. Tip 2. Turn on DC dimming for safer night use. Tip 3. Use 5 times telephoto for best zoom photos. Tip 4. Try dynamic sound mode for movies and music. Tip 5. Enable battery saver or performance mode depending on use. Tip 6. Use wireless charging to protect battery health. Tip 7. Use AI camera modes for clear low light photos.